Basic research is what I do when I don't know what I'm doing. I've learned to use the word impossible very carefully. My experience with science led me to God. They challenged science to prove the existence of God. But should we light a candle to see the sun? Removing the concept of God as unscientific is tantamount to violating the objectivity of science itself. Although I know of no references to Christ ever commented on scientific work, I do know that he said, "You will know the truth, and the truth will set you free." I believe that, if he were among us today, Christ will encourage scientific research as modern man's noblest endeavor to understand and admire his Father's handiwork. The universe as revealed through scientific investigation is a living witness that God is indeed at work. By 2000 we will no doubt have a sizable operation on the Moon. We will achieve a manned Mars landing and very likely we will fly with people to the outer planets. Get me a broom. I'll sweep my own office. Science has no moral dimension. It's like a knife. If you give it to a surgeon or a killer, each one uses it differently. The breakdown program failed because it was based on the theory that, with 9 women pregnant, you could have a baby in a month. One good test is worth 1,000 expert opinions. If we continue at this leisurely pace, we will have to get past Russian customs when we land on the Moon. Looking back, nothing seemed as simple as the utopian visions realized. There's a flying grandpa. But I intend to be an orbiting grandpa. It takes 65,000 mistakes before you qualify to build a rocket. To conquer the universe, we must solve 2 problems, gravity and bureaucracy. We can master gravity. I believe in an immortal soul. Science has proven that nothing disintegrates into nothingness. Therefore, life and soul cannot disintegrate into nothingness, and neither is immortal. Humans are not made for space. But with the help of biologists and doctors, they can be groomed and accommodated. Everyone knows what the Moon is, everyone knows what the decade is, and everyone can tell living astronauts who came back from the Moon from those that didn't. A good engineer gets stale very quickly if he doesn't get his hands dirty. Don't tell me men don't deserve to be there. Man is wherever he wants to go, and he will do a lot of good when he gets there. What we will achieve when Neil Armstrong descends to the Moon is an entirely new step in human evolution.